Guys, hindi pala na video. Kanina pa ako nagtry mag-balance ng piso sa... Oh! So make it long time. Hi, audience. Paano ba ito i-balance? No, you cannot balance it. How about put them both together? Ay! Last one! Paano ba? Oh! Ah! Ha! Na-balance! Last coin! Oh, alam niyo na!